You see Costco? I know you talk about it on your Power Lunch show.
I do, yes.
That's been a monster. I mean, their September comps were very strong in this environment. I think Dana Telsey and her group just put a $3.15 price target on it, which is pretty much where we are now. But I still think there's upside in names like Costco, Home Depot, and even a name like Dollar Gen, which has been a monster.
Target up 70%. Costco's up 50%.
Yes, Target's amazing.
Charts looked intact. Ross Stars has benefited from the China tariff war.
Yeah.
So those are the names that, until that tariff issue goes away, probably will still continue. The chart looks excellent to me, but I think once the trade wars concludes, if ever, this is a sell.
In terms of L brands, what hasn't been selling is Victoria's Secret, and Bath & Body Works has certainly been a bright spot for the company. And look, this has been a very lumpy turnaround, if you want to call it that, and clearly we haven't gotten that. Here's what I say about the Credit Suisse note. Who has rung the bell and told us anything new today? I mean, I don't think there's anything structural. If there's some insight into 4Q, into holiday sales, which we think is I don't know how we know those numbers yet. I get there are channel checks to look at. We all know that Macy's and L Brands have been struggling for a long time, and valuation is not why you go after them. You go after them because of a stabilization in the core business that's falling off. And at L Brands, I think the Victoria turnaround is slow but happening.
You know what's interesting is that all of those names, Macy's, L Brands, and Gap, the only one that's close to oversold on a relative strength index, RSI, is L Brands. So you're looking for these reversion trades. If you wanted to pick a bottom in a retail name, I'd go with the most underperforming stock, L Brands.